Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to download or save your Canva presentation as a PowerPoint file. If you've ever wanted to design something in Canva but needed to use or edit it later in Microsoft PowerPoint, this is going to be the perfect step-by-step guide for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the confidence to create a beautiful presentation in Canva, easily convert it into a PowerPoint file, and keep all your options open for editing or sharing later on. Alright, let's jump right in. First things first, head over to Canva. You can use either the website on your desktop browser or their app if you prefer. If you don't have an account, it's free to sign up, and if you've already got one, just log in. The great thing about Canva is you don't need any fancy background and design to get started. It's made for everyone. Once you're in Canva, you're going to look for the Create a Design button, usually right at the top of the homepage. Give that a click, you'll see a drop-down menu with a bunch of options, but here, where it's important, you want to select Presentation. If you just pick a regular document or a different format, the PowerPoint export won't work the way you want. Selecting Presentation sets up your file in the exact dimensions and layout that Microsoft PowerPoint expects, which makes converting super smooth. Next up is the fun part, choosing your template. Canva has tons of professionally designed templates for all kinds of needs, from business meetings to creative school projects and everything in between. Take a couple moments to scroll through and pick one that fits your style or your project's theme. Once you've settled on a template, just click it to start editing. If you want, you can swap in your own text, images, or even add extra slides. Don't worry if your design isn't perfect yet. You can always make more tweaks once you've exported it to PowerPoint. So now that your presentation is looking good, it's time to actually convert it. At the top right corner, you'll see the Share button. It usually stands out visually, making it easy to find. Go ahead and click on that. You'll notice several sharing options pop up. Look for the Download or More Actions area and then select Microsoft PowerPoint. Sometimes it's labeled as PPTX, which is just the file format PowerPoint uses. Canva will prepare the download, and depending on the size of your presentation and your internet connection, this might take a few moments, so just hang tight. Once the file is downloaded, you'll have a brand new PowerPoint file saved on your computer. You can open it in Microsoft PowerPoint or even upload to Google Slides if you need to. All your slides and most of your edits should carry over. There might be a couple minor formatting differences, especially if you've used certain fonts or animations, but overall it works really well for quick editing or sharing with people who prefer PowerPoint. And just like that, you've turned a Canva presentation into a fully editable PowerPoint file. It's a great way to get the best of both worlds: Canva's easy design tools plus the flexibility of PowerPoint editing or collaboration. I hope this walkthrough made the process clear and approachable. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like. It really supports the channel. Got questions or ran into any tricky spots? Leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.